Hello, let's learn some colors. Look how beautiful it is. White, yellow, pink, green, green, black, let's learn some more colors. Colors. Blue, red, pink and black. Look how there are two types of colors. This is pen color and watercolor. Now draw numbers. Let's start. Yellow color. Take some yellow color and write 1. This is 1. Two. This is number 2. Three. It's number 3. Four. Five. 6. 7. 8. 9. 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Thank you for watching. Bye. Please like, share and subscribe.